guys, welcome to my channel. It's Lay, and today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful braid out with a medium, short, any size lock. I usually keep my locks in for about, I want to say a week, just because I like the style and I like to just rock it. Without further ado, if you would like to see how I achieve this beautiful hairstyle, just keep on watching.
Sort of Jablinski Games.
And that is all for this video. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe. If you don't like it, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you soon. Peace.